What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's TyKara. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the system that I use for planning out and organizing my video ideas. So if you want to see what it is that I do, there's a DIY involved. Keep on watching. Let's go to the next clip. Hey everybody, just a reminder, I'm hosting a giveaway on my channel. Click the video in the eye for details.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number.
I got this idea from J Dormawangza on YouTube, so I'll put her name up on the screen so that you can check it out. So shout out to Jade, thank you girl. This is such a great idea and I'm using it. But let me show you what I have here. So as you guys saw, I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought some paint and some paint brushes, but I used these two picture frames that I refurbished for my grandmother. She didn't want them anymore, they were old, so I decided to use that for my board. Now you can just use the bare wall, you can use paper, but I just decided to use this because I really like the idea of having it painted white, rim of the paintings painted white, because I thought it would go with my room a little bit better, but it doesn't really matter what you use. This is my board. So if you don't want to use this idea for planning out videos, you can also use this as a vision board, a thing to mount your goals on so that you can keep track of those. But I would like to use this for my video ideas. So this is what's gonna happen. Every single sticky note is a video. Some of them are two-part series and some of them are not. Some of them are just regular videos. I decided to use two picture frames and make both of them for 2 months. So these are my video ideas for 2 months. We have a couple of videos in July because there's only like a couple more. There's only a couple of days left in July. But this is mainly August and this is September. Just say if I don't want to do this video in September, I want to do it in August. All I have to do is just pick it up and trade it with another video. So what caught my eye to this system is so much better than the one that I had before. Before I was writing down all of my video ideas in a journal and I really didn't pick it up and look at it after I wrote them down. So what I like about this is that I can still keep all of my ideas in one place and I can pick them up and move them just in case I don't complete it. So say Wednesday, I'm supposed to post on Wednesday. If I'm not really feeling the idea that's going up on Wednesday, I can just move it over to another time. This system allows you to plan out what you're gonna do. I have very general ideas and I also have ideas that require a little bit more elaboration. So this is why I like having it mounted up, because say there's a video I want to do in August. I have the video idea mounted on my board. It's a very deep topic and I'm not really sure what I want to say in it, so I can just pick it up and move it to September and continue to think about what exactly I want to go into that video. This system here, it's going to be life-changing, I tell you. And this is kind of like a double whammy because this is a DIY, home decor, and it is a YouTube related organization, YouTube related video. So I'm thinking about making this a playlist. What do you think? This creator board has a mixture of my video ideas and Instagram locations. Instagram is a job too. So whenever I find like a location that I like or that I want to take pictures in front of, I'll be sure to write that down and also mount it onto my creator board so that I won't forget where it is. This is very versatile. Maybe whenever I don't want to use this for a YouTube creator board anymore, I can use it for a vision board. I can use it for a calendar for school to write down everything that I need, because it's right above my desk. So I'm guaranteed to see it. Maybe you just need a way to organize your life. You can use this too. I hope this video helped you guys out. I know that I will be using this system because I'm just in love with it. So shout out to Jade Dormawangza once again. Thank you, girl. I see you, okay? I see you. So also, a little side note. I have another DIY that may be coming up, and it has something to do with creating my own headboard out of these old pillows. If you want to see what I have planned for that, then just stay tuned for the next DIY possibly. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I'm out. Just a little side note, so if you caught that and I'm out, I do have a website. It's a mixture of some of my YouTube videos, a blog. I talk about my natural hair a little bit more in depth. I talk about foods that I really like. The URL is TyKara.com, so you can check that out if you want to. Sign up for my email list. You can become a member of the group chat that I have created. It's called And We Out. A-N-N like my name, we, all of us, out, like we out here. The club And We Out was inspired by my recent Instagram post I made about us all being afraid to fail. So we're just out here just trying to live life, trying to get it together, figure out what we're doing. One big community where we can grow, learn, and teach each other. If you want to be a part of the hashtag And We Out club member, head over to my website and sign up for my email list, and then I will add you to the club. And I'm out again.
My chain, don't you like my chain, man? Young Gucci mane, and I'm popping off the chain, man. And my Jacob is so fruity. Call me Gucci mane, no, you call me Gucci. My chain,